Hello, welcome to a new project video from Maatwielen. The project I would like to show you involves reusing scope R4 disc hubs to build a new carbon wheel set. I hope you will like the video. I got these hubs from a client who had made mistakes while installing tubeless tires onto the rims, causing them to explode. R4 disc wheels use 45mm high full carbon rims, so I ordered two full carbon rims of the same height in order to be able to reuse the original spokes. However, the rim holes needed to be drilled in a 2-to-1 pattern, as the front hub has 21 spokes with 14 on the disc side and 7 on the other side, and the rear hub has 24 spokes with 16 on the drive side and 8 on the non-drive side. So I made sure the drilling pattern in the new rims mirrored that of the original rims. The second-hand hubs and spokes were pretty dirty, as you can see here in the pictures. Due to the exploded rims, there was sealant all over them. Some spokes I couldn't reuse, but these hubs used standard straight pull spokes, so I could just replace the damaged ones by new ones. Here I'm building the front wheel. Following are some pictures of the end result. Thank you for watching.